Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy Bitcoin with Apple Pay, follow these step-by-step instructions to purchase cryptocurrency using this convenient mobile payment method. Step 1. Ensure you have Apple Pay set up on your iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch with a valid debit or credit card added to your Apple Wallet. Apple Pay provides a secure way to make payments without sharing your card details. Step 2. Find a cryptocurrency platform that accepts Apple Pay, such as Coinbase, Binance, or certain peer-to-peer trading platforms. Not all exchanges support Apple Pay, so verify compatibility before creating an account. Step 3. Create and verify your account on the chosen platform by providing personal information, completing identity verification with photo ID, and setting up security features like two-factor authentication. Step 4. Navigate to the Buy or Deposit section and select Apple Pay as your payment method. Some platforms integrate Apple Pay directly into their app, while others may redirect you to complete the payment. Step 5. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase or the dollar amount you wish to spend. The platform will display the equivalent Bitcoin amount based on the current exchange rate minus any applicable fees. Step 6. Review transaction details carefully, including fees, exchange rates, and the total amount that will be charged through Apple Pay. Fees for Apple Pay purchases are typically similar to credit card fees, ranging from 3 to 5%. Step 7. Authorize the payment by double-clicking your device's side button and authenticating with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Apple Pay's security features protect your payment information during the transaction. Step 8. Wait for the transaction to complete and your Bitcoin to appear in your exchange account, usually within minutes. Consider transferring your Bitcoin to a personal wallet for enhanced security if you plan to hold long-term. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.